Now it's quick tour time. So viewport, the main canvas where your game scenes appears. The workspaces 2D, 3D, and script views at the top. Playtest buttons run test your game instantly. And for that, you need to create a new 3D scene. And then you can just hit F5, select current, and save. And now it's your game playing. Docs. The left and right panels showing notes, files, and properties. Bottom panel, tools and output tab for errors or logs. Next, let's take a look at project settings. Click Project in the top menu, Project Settings. Here you can set the game's title, default scene, game icon, and window resolution. Most defaults are fine, but for example, if you are making a mobile game, you'll change the resolution here. You will also find the input map, where you will define actions like jump or attack without worrying about specific keys. For now, let's close project settings, and we are ready to move on to the most important concept in Godot Nodes.